Greetings of the day everyone. My name is Reshu Jain from Olympus High School in charge POXO committee. Dear all, in the previous video we have discussed about information security, education and awareness and various features that how we can be the part of certain cybercrimes which all are happening nowadays. This month again I am here with some more informative features through which we can be the victim of cyber threat. Last month we have talked about mobile recharge shop, debit card cloning, keylogger, SMS spoofing, call spoofing. And this month we will be discussing about some new topics. So first we will talk about ransomware. First we'll talk about ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malicious software that threatens to publish the victim's data or perpetually block access to it unless a ransom is paid. It gains access to data through being downloaded as an attachment in a mail. That is, a virus is sent, a kind of a part is sent through your email, and as soon as you download that mail, it becomes the part of your data. How? Let's see through this picture section. Alicia, she is an entrepreneur. Her company has 50 employees and 60 systems, that is 60 computers. One day she receives an email from her vendor having an attachment, right? And now Alicia downloads that attachment. Her antivirus was not updated, so she has not received any kind of alert whether the message can harm your system or can crash your system, like that. Upon opening the file, her system gets locked and all the files are encrypted, unable to access. She was very confused that why such thing had happened. After a while, an alert message on screen has come and it was demanding rupees 1 lakh to be paid in Bitcoin to unlock the screen. Alicia makes the payment to the Bitcoin wallet address mentioned. Right? Now the hacker does not send the private key. The files remain encrypted and inaccessible. She was not getting any pin, any unlocking part, that how she can unlock that data. Her company's manager tells Alicia the email she received was a phishing email, phishing with ransomware. So Alicia regrets for not deleting the email and for not updating her antivirus software and operating system. In this cases, what we should do, we should simply delete such mails by selecting the checkbox in spite of clicking the email. As soon as we click such emails, automatically the virus spreads in the system and hangs up the entire system. This cyber stalking. Cyber stalking is the use of the internet or other electronic means to stalk or harass another by misusing the information uploaded on social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter and so on. Let's see how. Juveria, she is an NRI, completed her schooling from the US and is now in India to pursue her engineering. She lived her life to the fullest. Whatever she did had to get uploaded on social media as soon as she get it done, either Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever. And she had more than 10,000 followers. Right now she used the check-in feature on Facebook to inform her friends and followers about her whereabouts, her life and minimum privacy. One day she decides to go to Goa on a solo trip. She updates her plans on her wall with itinerary. Kiran, a stalker, used to keep track of all her details. He was a habitual offender and was out on bail recently. He takes a bus to Goa and texts Juveria from his hostel room and expresses his desire to meet her as if he knows her so well and wants to communicate with her, wants to be her friend, like this. After checking out his profile, Juveria blocks him, unaware about what fate had planned for her shortly. So as Kiran had her itinerary, he follows her to the beach and molests her when there was no one around. Kiran escapes. Kiran ran away from there, and after that, Juveria is feeling terrible and regrets for not limiting her images. Actually, what Kiran had done, he had just edited all her pictures in the Facebook in such a pattern that which cannot be shared with everyone, and she was regretting herself that why she had done such kind of nonsense. And now we should be very careful while posting our any content on the Facebook or anywhere, so that others are not able to edit it or misuse it. Picture morphing. Morphing is the face of a person to the body of another and publishing it to blackmail or otherwise intimidate the person is one of the ways by which people who upload photos on social networking sites can be exploited. Means face is of someone else and body part is of somebody else, and all these features can be done through Photoshop very easily. We have various softwares of editing the Photoshops. Now let's see how. Aishwarya, she is a happening girl, 18 years old, living in Mumbai. She always clicked photo and uploaded on Insta, also was crazy about TikTok. She used to get thousands likes and 100 comments for every pic posted. This is somewhere like, just we have discussed about the cyber stalking, this is somewhere like that only. So what she did, one day she gets a request from a random guy. She accepted the request, the friend request. This guy, Aryan, follows her while she is on her way to college and proposes her. Aishwarya outrightly rejects his proposal and shouts at him. At this, Aryan goes back home, downloads her pictures, morphs it with naked women. Morphs means he had edited everything. He sends it to his friends and uploads on random websites with her phone number. Aishwarya is so depressed and regrets for uploading her clear photos which can be edited very easily on social media and accepting random requests. Dear all, this is a major cause that we quickly accepts the request of the people without knowing them, without knowing about what is their intention, and we just keep on accepting the requested. So please do avoid all such things, and also sharing your content publicly, keep it private. Profile hacking. Profile hacking happens when your email or social networking site is accessed by a probable stalker who then compromises it. How? Tanuja loves going to the cyber to surf the web. One day she has browsing through Facebook and the Gmail was opened in the other window. Means in one tab she had opened Facebook and other tab she had opened her Gmail account. She gets SOS call, means come as soon as possible call from her home, that her grandfather is admitted in KCM hospital. At this, Tanuja rushes to the hospital. Obviously, we'll rush for some medical emergencies quickly as soon as possible. But in that case, what she had done, she forgot to log out from her accounts in the cyber cafe. When she reached hospital, she got two alerts from the cyber that Gmail and Facebook passwords are reset. Means somebody has changed the passwords of her Gmail account and Facebook account. At this, Tanuja realized that what she had done the biggest mistake and her accounts got compromised. Remember, whenever you are logging into any device, either your mobile phone, tab, any cyber computer, personal computer, anywhere, please log out immediately as soon as your work is finished, and keep this thing on your private system also. This is very important. And use virtual keyboards while entering passwords and other sensitive information. Virtual keyboards means the keyboards which are there on screen, because through hardware keyboards the passwords can be detected very easily with your fingerprints. Avoid free Wi-Fi at restaurants, airports, public places. Use VPN whenever necessary. Today's last topic is online games. Yes, this is the very favorite part of each and every youngster nowadays. Girls who are vulnerable to loneliness, even boys also. Low self-esteem and clinical depression can fall prey to dangerous online games that may become addictive and further harm them. Some, like the notorious Blue Whale Challenge, even end in the victim ending her life. This is a personal as well as a social challenge for the others around. How? Devika, a first year engineering student hailing from a remote village in Karnataka. Her classmates used to ignore her because she was too simple to gel inside a group of girls. She had no online friends either. Children, this is not only specifically for girls, this is for boys also, or for anyone, those who feel alone or lonely. Generally, this thing happens with them. Because of loneliness, she ended up clicking a link that she received in her email, which read the Blue Whale game. Or we have PUBG, we have Memos, we have so many games all around. So Devika was excited to play this game. It had 50 levels. Each level had a task to be executed. After completing each task, she got appreciation from the admin. This made her feel very good. As more and more dopamine was released inside her, she got addicted. Dopamine is a kind of a chemical which releases out of your mind when you are so happy. That is a good stress part. Dangerous tasks like tattooing, whale on her body with knife, walking on edge of the terrace, midnight graveyard walks were few of the tasks she had completed. And her classmates saw a lot of changes in her. So did her teachers, but no one bothered to ask her. She had by now surrendered to her admin. The final task was to hang herself and commit suicide at 1 a.m. Without any regret or fear, Devika wrote a sorry letter to her parents and hanged herself. One precious life lost. The letter read, I wish people cared for me, loved me, and included me in their circles. I was totally ignored and secluded. What is the point in living? Dear all, if you feel that you are being regretted or ignored, it doesn't mean you will take such disastrous step. There are various ways to involve yourself in so many good things. It could be reading, dancing, painting, cooking, gardening, playing with your pet. There are so many methods to get good stress, to be relieved. Do meditation, yoga, swimming, go for vacation, go alone. But giving your life totally to the end is not the solution. So I request all to be please be careful by all such things which are happening around us, and be careful. So this was for this month, and next month again I'll come with some more information which is very important for us. I wish everybody a happy and healthy life. Thank you.